Hello friends, welcome to my blog. So today we are doing Safari Ascent Overnighter laptop trolley bag, which I got from Safari store in 7,500 rupees. This is the one which I'm using from last 1 month around. So wanted to give you a review. Before using this, I reviewed these three options because my budget was 5,000 rupees around and I was looking for something, which has a dedicated laptop pocket too. So these three options were there. I was very much confused in this, but there was a problem with these three options. It was like they look, they don't look official. They look more like something, teen or a college guy traveling. It was not looking premium and official. So that's the reason I finally ended up with Safari, this trolley bag. This looks very premium. It is having all the things that any official guy would require for an official visit. A dedicated pocket for laptop, so you don't need to open your complete trolley bag where your clothes are also there to for taking out your laptop. You just open the laptop pocket, take out your laptop, and then a small pocket for the other accessories. This is very good. Even such thing you will only get in two brands. One is Samsonite, one is Safari. So both are equivalent. But yes, being in brand things, so the thing that you get in Safari for 7,500, same thing you'll get in Samsonite for around 20,000 rupees. That's the only difference, but both are equivalent. So in this bag, I'm getting all the features that I expected. Yes, there was something like I was looking for 8 wheels also. Here I'm getting only 4 wheels, but that is not making any problem because I'm using very ruggedly from last 1 month and no problem is there. Wheels are working very smoothly, and above and all, this bag comes with 5 years guarantee. Okay, so any problem happens, I can go to the brand directly store and I can return it. Additionally, this is having TSA lock, which most of premium bags are coming up with nowadays. So with TSA lock, people say that in airport security check, if your laptop goes and if they want to check your laptop, they have some provision of just doing some universal key. They can open the bag, they can do the security check, and then they can close it back. So yes, this bag looks very premium. Black color official, directly you can take to the meeting things. I reviewed so many options. I was very much confused that which option to go with, but I made the decision what I made. I'm satisfied with this. So wanted to share a feedback with you all also, so that if you are looking, if you have you are in the same dilemma of like 5,000 to 8,000 and you want the best bag for official travels, then possibly this is one option that you can check it. I was not getting this option online, so I visited Safari store and there I got this option. So possibly if in case you are looking for the same thing, you can visit the store and you can get it. In the description I will mention the model number, complete model number of this thing. The weight of this bag is 2.7 kgs and dimensions of this bag is just a minute, I will confirm. It is 47 by 42 by 30 centimeters. So a perfect fit for cabin baggage. This is how it looks when you carry it along with you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.